If you are looking to do this type of trend, then you are watching a required video. To make this type of trend video, it takes lots of time and skill. But today in this video, I'll tell you how you can do with just one click. So let's start with the video. To do this type of trend in just one click, you need to have Capcut application. After that, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, I have provided the 5 Capcut templates of the same trend. Review all the videos and choose the one you like. To use the template, click on Use Template in Capcut button given below each template. After clicking the button, you will direct it to Capcut template page. Now from here, click on Use Template in Capcut, and after that you will be switched to Capcut application. Now click on Use Template and add your photo from gallery. The photo should have a proper visible face for good results. And after that, click on Preview. Now check your video and then export.
Take off the money phone, take off the car.
Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.